Building custom columns requires creating multiple custom Jira fields, and it can be a time-consuming and complex task. But in this new version of GanttTable, you can use smart columns to skip that hassle. Together with selecting multiple cells with copy and paste abilities, you can have a simpler, more efficient way to manage your project data. Let's dive into smart columns and its custom formulas. Think of them as your personal project assistant, quietly crunching numbers and displaying calculated or derived info from 2 or more Jira work item fields right in the details. They can help you quickly see gaps or deviations in their schedules and other key project metrics. You'll get 5 pre-built smart columns to start with, all using Jira's default fields. But if you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own by picking from 3 different smart column types: date, number, and time estimate. Each comes with its unique sum-up styles, and you can choose Jira fields or even those custom fields you've set up for your specific work items, allowing you to get the calculated information you need within the table. And here's where it gets fun. In the latest update, you can now create your own custom formulas for smart columns. Choose the custom formula option in the sum-up style. Simply type an equal sign, pick a formula like if, count, or average, and then choose the Jira fields you want to play with. Voila! Your very own customized smart column is ready to go. It's like the Excel functions you know and love, but way cooler, and it's built into Jira. Also in this new version, you can select multiple cells and copy-paste the data. You can now interact with GanttTable like in Excel or Google Sheets, using the Shift key with left click or arrows to select multiple cells. You can also copy and paste data from one cell to another. Just make sure those cells share the same field data. No more switching between tabs or tools. Just a few clicks, and all done. More than those, GanttTable now also supports non-working days, attachment and comment columns, and export as PNG images. With these features, GanttTable is becoming a lot more than just a table. It's a streamlined, more efficient way to manage your Jira tasks.